What's the easiest, the fastest, the cheapest way to begin dropshipping? I'm about to tell you that. Now, guess what? I'm not a new guru. This isn't me saying I'm the only video you should watch on YouTube out of the 10,000 people saying what's the cheapest way of dropshipping. I'm just saying that if you follow this channel, I'm about to give you this value. If you don't follow this channel, you need this value, because if you've watched the other 10,000 videos and you're still watching this video, it means you haven't found the easiest, the cheapest, the smartest way to start dropshipping. Now guys, I'm gonna be honest with you, okay? I've made a lot of money in dropshipping, but I lost a lot of money at the beginning. And with this honesty, I hope you can take from this video the mistakes that I made and don't do them, okay? The number one mistake is use tools. Do not think that you are now some sort of guru in dropshipping. I don't care how much you make, if it's 6 figures, 7 figures, 5 figures, 3 figures, it does not matter. You need tools. And if you're not using tools, your brain power eventually will be exhausted. You'll be burnt out. You won't be able to do this. You can get employees, but they cost money. Just use tools. And I'm going to show you a tool right now that I use every single time I open my computer and I start my dropshipping day. I'm going to show you. Okay, it is ECOMHUNT. And the reason I use this tool is because I don't want to spend hours and hours and hours anymore researching what is the next biggest product, what is selling the most on the internet, what is the most trending ad running. I want ECOMHUNT to do all that for me so I can put the rest of my traits into practice and start making money in dropshipping just like I do every single day. ECOMHUNT is fantastic. It has the ECOMHUNT Classic, okay, which is their traditional handpicked research by their expert winning product finders. They have their ECOMHUNT Live with their trends, where they can find trends before anyone else, all right, which is absolutely incredible. Updates live as well. They have their ECOMHUNT Lucky, they have their tracker, they have ECOMHUNT Adam, which is an AI, guys. This is a virtual assistant that actually helps you find AliExpress products research, which is absolutely incredible. You don't have to do it anymore. And they have the ECOMHUNT extension, guys. Every single one of these tools I use every single day because it takes away hours and hours and hours of stuff that they can do in an instant. I would have had to do with a lot of brain power, using a lot of my time. Okay, now these are the smart ways to make money in dropshipping. If somebody tells you on a video, you could do it all yourself, you don't need this tool, you don't need to pay for this, you're just gonna spend a lot of time and waste a lot of time. And that's not smart, okay? So just invest a little bit into tools like ECOMHUNT, and I promise you, it will change everything about it. The next thing that changed my life was when I first got involved with Fulfillman, and now I would never, ever advise anybody to get into dropshipping if you're not going to choose Fulfillment, because the reason is I have ECOMHUNT and tools like this to take away hours and hours of research of my life. I also have Fulfillment to take away the other hours and hours of finding suppliers, tracking suppliers, contacting different product manufacturers, warehouse storage, shipment times. Do you know how many times customers message and say, hey, it's not arrived on time? Guys, Fulfillment will do it with a guaranteed time, and that's the reason that you need Fulfillment if you're a dropshipper. And the link is down below, guys. You can get a free quote right now. ECOMHUNT and Fulfillment, you put them together, you can go in sunbathe for most of the day. As long as you've done the basics of dropshipping, these two will take the rest for you. And guys, I'm not just saying this to be like, hey, dive into this, you're gonna make thousands a day just using ECOMHUNT and Fulfillment. You still need to do work, but you don't need to do anywhere near half the work you would if you didn't use these two. So make sure you hit that like button, hit subscribe, and the bell button notified. I want to throw a bit of value at you today. There is a lot of gurus on YouTube telling you all these different things. It's easier just to use the tools. I'll see you next time.